Today in crypto. Polkadot parachains have been dubbed the next-generation blockchains due to their advanced capabilities. The network had introduced an auction as a way to pick the parachains that would begin producing their first blocks. In the first round of the auction, 5 parachains had emerged as winners and the onboarding process had been successfully carried out. These parachains got a lease period of 96 weeks as a result of their win, which began on December 17. Now, these winning parachains have now started producing blocks on the Polkadot network, marking the beginning of a new era. Related reading: Unpacking the effects of China's Bitcoin ban on investors. Aquila, Clover, Moonbeam, Astar, and Parallel Finance emerged as the first batch of winners in the Polkadot parachains auction. These 5 projects had raised a total of $2,354,936,040, $100 million, locked, each one winning slots for different niches on the blockchain ranging from decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, smart contracting, and loans and investments. All 5 of these projects have now begun successfully creating blocks on the Polkadot blockchain. There are currently only 5 parachain slots that are occupied by the projects that won the first auction, but Polkadot intends to grow slots to 100, which is the maximum capacity for the Polkadot relay chain. These projects each occupy a niche in Gavin Wood's vision for an interconnected blockchain future, made possible by allowing for different niches to operate in the same space instead of competing against one another. Related reading: Crypto sector needs regulation, says IMF chief economist. Polkadot is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap despite only being operational for about 5 years. The cryptocurrency is currently 11th on the list with a total market cap of $28 billion. The next round of auctions began on Thursday, December 23, and will run for 7 days, at the end of which the winning parachains will be announced. 6 parachains will be selected in this round and their onboarding will happen around March 11, 2022. Voting is already underway and users can vote by locking their DOT tokens in the projects. Adam White, the president and founding executive of digital assets company Bakkt, is leaving the firm after 3 years. In a Thursday post on Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, White said next week would mark his departure from Bakkt, where he has served as both chief operating officer and president. White joined Bakkt after leaving Coinbase, NASDAQ Coin, in 2018, where he worked as a vice president and general manager. The Bakkt president did not reveal what his next move would be, or whether he would continue to work in the crypto space. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. 2021 has been one of the most interesting years for blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, both in terms of adoption and mainstream acceptance. From governments such as El Salvador to large corporations like Tesla, NASDAQ TSLA, Goldman Sachs, NYSE, GS, Bank of America, NYSE, BAC, and Morgan Stanley, NYSE, MS. Many institutions have made a step toward becoming a part of the ecosystem. Even so, there were a few issues and events that soured the mood for cryptocurrency investors and the community in general. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. XRP was trading at $0.89830 by 15:02, GMT, on the investing.com index on Friday, down 11.21% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage loss since September 20. The move downwards pushed XRP's market cap down to $43.63010 or 1.84% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, XRP's market cap was $83.44071. XRP had traded in a range of $0.89383 to $0.99588 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, XRP has seen a rise in value, as it gained 14.6%. The volume of XRP traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $3.50103 or 3.82% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $0.7912 to $1.0161 in the past 7 days. At its current price, XRP is still down 72 70% from its all-time high of $3.29 set on January 4, 2018. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $50,915 on the investing.com index, down 0.51% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $4,066.58 on the investing.com index, a loss of 1.74%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $967,05858 or 68% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $484,77172 or 39% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Most people might not remember that websites once had icons that said, "This site has been optimized for Internet Explorer," but 2 decades ago, it wasn't uncommon. Just like today's battle between Web 2.0 monopolies and Web 3.0 communities, at the beginning of the early consumer Internet, there was a similar battle waged over who would own the portal to it, a closed-source global monopoly, or an open-source non-profit. Matt Luongo is the founder and CEO of Thesis, the crypto venture production studio behind Fold, Keep, TBTC, and Saddle. Since its inception in 2014, Thesis's portfolio has served millions of users and holds over $300 million in total locked value, partnering with brands like Visa, NYSE, to drive forward adoption of Bitcoin and other digital assets. Matt Luongo has been a serial entrepreneur for the last decade, and held multiple technical executive roles before entering the cryptocurrency industry full-time in 2014. Matt holds a bachelor's in computer science from Georgia Tech, and is based in Atlanta, Georgia, where he is a husband and father of two. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.